उच्च न्यायालयान दिल्ल्या निवाड्याक आमी मान दिता, मात 10 मार्चाक मतदार ह्या अपात्र आमदारांक धडो शिकयतले हाचो आमकां विश्वास आसा म्हण काँग्रेसीचो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकार उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We respect the order of Honorable High Court on the disqualification petition filed by myself on behalf of the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee. By respecting that order, we would like to stress, after going through the detailed contents of the order of this Honorable High Court, we have to say that this order, instead of answering various questions before the people of Goa, especially the voters, the order raises many more questions which needs to be answered by somebody. I don't know who is that somebody, whether it's a parliament, whether it's a Supreme Court or judiciary, but somebody has to answer these questions, especially to the voters who have full faith in the Indian democracy and the Indian constitution. आणि जे वोटर्स आसा, वोटरांक आमी मॅक्झिमम मोबिलायज करपाक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जावं गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया, एवरीबडी इज एनकरेजिंग them to vote, to come out and vote for in a large number. And good part is that the voting percentage is increasing day by day, because that's the faith and the trust the voters or the citizens of India is posing into our democratic system and into our constitution. And when they vote believing the ideology of a particular party, particular political party. They put up the candidates, they come out with a manifesto, their party programs, objectives are very much made clear to the people, and they stand with some ideology. And we have seen through this Honorable High Court's order that people have voted for the candidates of a particular ideology, say a secular ideology, and later on those elected MLAs have joined themselves to exactly opposite ideology for which people have opposed during the election. So लोकांनी विश्वास धरून एका आयडियोलॉजीच्या वोटराक कॅन्डिडेटाक वोट करता आणि त्या वोटाकांनी एक्झॅक्टली ऑपोजिट आयडियोलॉजीच्या पार्टीक वचून ते जॉईन जाता. नाव वॉट द कॉमन वोटर हॅज टू बिलीव, तेणें कोणा बिलीव करपाचें. आनी ऑनरेबल हायकोर्ट सांगता की तेणी कितें केलें तें सारकें आसा म्हणून, तें डिस्क्वॉलिफाय जायना म्हणून. आमकां खात्री आसा की आमचो विश्वास लोकांच्या कोर्टान आसा आनी 10 तारखेक लोकांचो कोर्ट हांकां सगळ्यांक डिस्क्वॉलिफाय करून एक स्ट्रॉंग मेसेज देशभराक धाडटले. आनी अल्टिमेटली द वोटर्स आर द सुप्रीम, द पीपल्स कोर्ट इज द सुप्रीम.